Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. I recently acquired a new microphone, so leave a comment below and let me know how the quality sounds compared to my previous videos. Today, I just wanted to talk about why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, some of the institutional adoption, and a few reasons why I like it as well. And then we're going to go into the chart at the end briefly. So, the first thing I want to talk about was Real Vision hires a new president as it doubles down on crypto. So, they've hired a new president. The firm recently invested 10% of its cash holdings into Bitcoin via Blockfi, which I also support as well. And Real Vision is led by CEO Raul, who has personally invested 98% of his liquid assets into Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I know he's done 80% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum. So this is huge for the markets here. I mean, this is going to be hundreds of millions of dollars coming into the space, and they see really the long-term potential in crypto. So next we have Microstrategy doubles down on Bitcoin. So they have raised 650 million to buy more Bitcoin, bringing its total exposure to 1.1 billion dollars. So it definitely increases the risk profile for this company in Bitcoin specifically, but they obviously have a lot of conviction that Bitcoin's going to do well. So JP Morgan, who has also turned bullish on Bitcoin, sees 600 billion demand for Bitcoin from global institutional adoption. So what I wanted to cover here is they explain that the recent investment of $100 million in the cryptocurrency by mega insurer Massachusetts Mutual Life Insurance Company, Mass Mutual, highlights the potential for additional institution demand for the cryptocurrency in the coming years. That's a $100 million investment right there, right? But where does this $600 million come in? While the analysts do not expect large insurance companies and pension funds to dive into cryptocurrency with heavy weighting, they believe that even a small portfolio allocation, such as 1% in BTC, could be significant for its market. With Bitcoin outperforming most other assets this year, analysts explain that if pension funds and insurance companies in the US, Euro area, UK, and Japan allocate 1% of its assets to Bitcoin, that would result in additional Bitcoin demand of 600 billion. So that would be some massive inflow into Bitcoin. So definitely keep your eyes on these institutions buying Bitcoin and potentially Ethereum and maybe even other smaller cryptocurrencies, but I think they're most likely going to stay towards Bitcoin and Ethereum just because they're the most developed in the space. Let's talk about the worsening US dollar and inflation metrics. So, recently, you can see the inflation chart here. We're climbing back up towards over 2% inflation. And as you can see, with the dollar going down, Bitcoin has been rising, right? In my opinion, fiat's only going to continue to go down. So, the trend may will continue. Morgan Stanley's predicting another 10% decline in the next 12 months. So, I'm not sure why many people would want to keep their money in cash when they're predicting another 10% decline over the next 10 months. I mean, if you make 10% in the stock market, but the dollar goes down 10% and inflation's 2%, you're really not making anything. That's absolutely crazy to see that. So I'm definitely hedging against inflation and against the dollar with crypto, and that's why I like it so much as well. So the last article I want to talk about, I'm just going to talk about everything as a whole. Will PayPal be a game changer for Bitcoin? So recently, they announced that the users will be able to buy, sell, and hold their Bitcoin in PayPal. But that wasn't the biggest news. The biggest news is that PayPal also said that it plans to eventually make Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies usable as a payment method for purchases through PayPal's 26 million merchants. So currently, when you send Bitcoin, there is fees and it has to go through different nodes in the blockchain. But if PayPal makes this available for everyone, it will just make it a lot easier for people to see the use case in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space as a whole. Right now, the use case is very small, and people really just see it as a store of value, as a digital asset, right? Which is fine. But it'd be awesome to see some of these companies support Bitcoin and bring it to the forefront of the industry. So it definitely should be interesting to see what they have planned. And I see Amazon probably stepping in and allowing Bitcoin as a payment sometime in the future. I honestly see that happening. So with PayPal doing this, other companies hop on it. It's going to be massive. If you guys are new to the cryptocurrency space, I would say just buy a little bit of Bitcoin if you're interested right now, maybe $100, something like that, and then learn about it. Educate yourself, watch videos, listen to other people who are invested in the market, and decide for yourself if this is something that you want to invest in long term. Understand the risk to reward, volatility, and everything that comes with it. But I really like Bitcoin, and I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I don't think I've ever been this bullish on Bitcoin. So finally, let's look at the chart here. Right now, as we speak, we're at 19,422. So this is massive. We're at almost all-time highs. What I see potentially happening is two things. Either we're going to continue this sideways channel, I believe, and either break out to the upside, which would be 19,800 or 20,000, which is a massive market resistance even from back in 2017, or we'll break towards the downside and retest maybe this $17,500 level. It should be interesting to see. If we break over 20K, I think we could have a big spike up pretty quick over 20K just because of price discovery. And if we go back down towards the $17,000 range, I think it'll provide a decent buying opportunity for people who are looking to get in or add to their position. So if you guys want to get a free $10 in Bitcoin when you spend $100 on Coinbase, when you buy or sell $100 in cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, check out the link below. You also can get 4 free stocks on Webull right now just for signing up and depositing $100. You can get another free stock on Robinhood. And check out all my other affiliate links below. Obviously, I do get a small portion of commission from them, but all those links are things that I 110% believe in and that I use myself. I would never promote or sponsor something or take a sponsor from something that I don't personally use or believe in. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. You guys could leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'd be greatly appreciated. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching.